Hi everyone, what's up? Kim here. So everyone is sleeping right now, so I kind of want to be a little bit quieter. But I want to go ahead and show you that I'm going to start our process for dinner tonight. It's been really, really beautiful out today. Actually, here. Oh, birds are chirping. It's really nice. So I thought we would grill out for dinner. So I wanted to try something we haven't really done. I mean, we've grilled steak, chicken, all sorts of these things, but we've never done kebabs. So here's what I'm doing. This is Kyle's. He's got the sirloin steak, half beef. He's got that, and I got the thin sliced chicken breast cutlet. His I'm going to marinate in teriyaki because that's what he likes. And I'm going to do a speedy sauce because that's what was recommended to me at the grocery store. So I'm going to go ahead, wash my hands, and get started cutting this meat up and getting it marinating. The longer it marinates, the better it is. So here we go, I'm going to start cutting. Okay, so the steak part is done. I cut it into cubed pieces. And now I'm going to take the teriyaki marinade and I'm going to go ahead and fill it in and cover it and put it in the refrigerator and let that start marinating. Now I've already cleaned my board and I got a new knife, but I cleaned my board and everything, and I'm going to start the chicken. I always think teriyaki smells good, but I don't actually like the taste of teriyaki, so that's why this one is special for Kyle. And it's actually really special. I'm not gonna fuck with this one. So, sorry Kyle about that still. He damn sure didn't eat a single cupcake I had made. So anyways, this is what I'm going to go ahead and do now. Is I'm going to go ahead and make sure all of this is nicely covered. Oh yeah, it smells really good actually. And get that in the refrigerator. So, oops, sorry YouTube. Okay, so here's the chicken. I'm going to go ahead and add in this speedy sauce marinade, and same thing as the steak. I'm going to make sure it's nice and covered, and I'm going to put a lid on it and come back and stir it around every so often. Make sure it's nice and covered, and yum. Alright, so this is the beginning part of our shish kebabs for dinner. I hear the ice cream truck. You hear it? Eliza, no, Eliza, come here.
And then there's an out.
Oh, yeah. So we played with chalk yesterday, and Daddy did Eliza's name,
Mommy.
but the I is her body. Oh, I see the ice cream man.
Hello.
Hello. Oh, it said hello.
Hello.
Oh boy. Look, oh, those kids down there want ice cream too.
What did I do if they had no money? Are they just going to take it for free?
No. Do you think the ice cream truck would let them do that?
No, Mother.
They've had the same tune since I've lived here. Hello? Hello?
Why does it keep saying hello?
Because it likes to say hello. It's a polite ice cream truck. Whoop, whoop.
Puppy, puppy.
Oh, yep, walking their puppy.
I wish we had a puppy.
Yeah, I wish we did too. Do we? Oh, this little one. Hi, Charlie.
Tonight
or anything.
Yeah, we're going in a second. Look, say hi, Charlie.
Hi.
Oh, so beautiful. just loves cake, so. Let's see, what do you want? Lily, you want the Batman if they have it. And which one did you say, Eliza? Penguin? Okay.
I got Batman.
Show me what you got, Eliza. Show me what you got. Yeah. All right, let's go in back and eat them. Say thank you.
I'm gonna get the guy in the blue.
Come on, Liza. Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh boy. Okay, let's go eat them. Nom nom nom. We got ice cream.
And
Let's see.
2 faces.
Whoa, but look at the other side. It's got gum. See it?
Yeah.
Let me see. Hold it up. Do you like it?
Oh, Liza has gum.
Let me see, Eliza. Hold up the penguin. Oh.
Look on the other side.
Look on the other side. You see it?
Oh.
Oh.
What?
Okay, guys, so it's getting close to dinner time, and we're going to go ahead and I have the potatoes going now, and they are Pee-wee's potatoes, rich buttery flavor. I have the onions, the yellow zucchini, and I have the pineapples and stuff in the refrigerator going. They need to cook for 10 minutes and then boil for 10 minutes. They're not boiling yet, so I'm going to boil them for 10. Get the grill going, we'll get our meat out. I'm going to pull it out now and let it sit and check it out and everything. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, so first up we have the chicken. This has been sitting and marinating now for almost 3 hours. Alright, and here's the sirloin steak, which actually smells really good. But I'm sure it's teriyaki, so I'm sure it's gross. Alright, so now I got the husband filming. I got the oldest child pestering me. And so, I don't know, this peeling onions always bother me. Should I get your mask? I got you. Should I get that? Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and start peeling all this and getting this ready and halved in the portions so we can start building our skewers. Here it is. We have the yellow zucchini, the Valdeia onions, the pineapple chunks, the little Pee-wee buttery flavored potatoes. We have the teriyaki sirloin steak, which is Kyle's favorite, and we have the chicken breast and speedy sauce. So, both have been marinated for about 3.5 hours, so. Okay, so I don't know if there's like an order to this or if there's like certain ways you're supposed to do this. Should I just use like a paper plate to put them on?
Yeah.
Until we put them out on the grill?
Sounds good to me.
Alright, well I guess I'll start with like a potato maybe. It's yours.
Why do I get the test run?
Yeah, because that's on wrong.
Huh?
That's on wrong. It's not in the middle. Do you think it matters?
Put it the long way. What?
Okay, so then you should be doing your old. Put it the wrong way after I stick it to him.
Don't have to be perfect.
I don't want it to split and fall
It'll be
off
fine.
while it's cooking.
That's what those trays are for.
Teriyaki. Should I go a long way too?
Don't matter. The more you fit on there, the better.
Do you want... I'm going to give you an onion. So you have to have onion. Even if we don't eat them, I feel like they still have to kind of be there. I'm going to stab my finger off. Okay, what the heck?
It's because you got half an onion there.
That's what he told me to do. Okay?
How would he know?
Because he said, the guy told me that he was a chef when he was in Ireland. I don't know. How does that
Good.
look? Because you don't want pineapple, right?
Hell no.
I didn't think so. But there's one. Alright, so I'm going to start with a potato, then I'm actually going to do pineapple.
Yeah.
Oh, and it broke.
You good?
Yeah.
I don't know how this works.
Kinda gotta like fold it.
Kind of like that.
Yep. You got it.
Like that.
Yeah. You got it.
This doesn't look right.
You don't look right.
You don't look right. Daddy don't look right. And in case you guys don't know, that's a joke against Kyle because he looks exactly like his dad. And I mean exactly like him.
I wouldn't say exactly, but
What?
pretty close. What?
Kyle's just mad because he'd rather look like his mom, whom he loves dearly. Love her, Mom. You're the greatest mom anyone's ever had. Nobody could ever be as close to have a good as mom as you.
Well, you gotta talk about my mom.
I ain't talking about your mom. I'm just making fun of you.
Did you see that mom smack the shit out of her kid in the riots?
They got me on video?
No, did you see that? Seriously?
No.
Huh?
No.
There's like a video clip with some lady like recognizes one of the rioters as her son, and she's like smacking the shit out of him.
Dang, son. Bet you won't be doing that again. A squash. Alright, so how's that for a chicken one?
Looks good.
Good? Alright, so there's 2 down. And I'm just going to go ahead and keep going. Basically, something similar to that. Okay, so they're all ready. We're going to go ahead and take them out and put them on the grill. Alright, so we got these have been heating up.
Oh, good.
Now,
Fair.
now do we want to get like some of it to baste on it? Yeah, that smells good.
Yeah, that's all good. Here.
Hold on, I want to see real quick.
I want to see.
Yeah, it smells good. Yeah, it smells good. We're gonna have the whole neighborhood wanting to come on. So, when'd you guys move in? Alright, now he's basting with the teriyaki.
We got basting oil.
Huh?
So this is about some basting oil.
Do you want tongs? Those look so good. I wish you two could smell these things. It really does smell like the New York State Fair too.
And then those tongs.
Alright. Really do wish you guys could smell this. Alright, here they are on the dinner table. We also have rice pilaf and corn. And they smell really good.
Yeah, they smell good.
We'll see how they taste. Alright, so here's my plate. Here's Kyle's. Newt and Lily wanted cereal. They did not want anything to do with any of this.
Because we wanted to beat you guys.
Yeah.
Chicken's good.
Chicken's good? Alright. So far, so good. I'll try mine. Can you see me? That's really good. The speedy sauce is good.
And guess what? Chicken butt.
That's good.
Potatoes are hot.
Mama,
What?
chicken butt.
Chicken butt.
Yeah.
Oh, what? Daddy's digging into the meat. The sirloin. Good. Alright, so we're gonna eat dinner now. Not sure what that is. Oh, pineapple. Yeah. The grilled pineapple is really good. Alright, enjoy dinner. Love you guys.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter. Kyle ate all of stuff, so he wasn't a fan of the potatoes, though, which I don't blame him. The potatoes were good. It's just, he's not really a potato person. We're not really vegetable people, which he did just actually say he would probably try peppers. What kind of peppers, though? Like bell peppers or...
I don't know. Green or red or whatever.
Make it more colorful.
Yeah.
Make it pretty. Because like I said, you don't have to eat it. Like, I give you mad props, though. You at least tried the onion, as where I didn't. I kind of shuffled it around to make it look like I did.
It just tastes like an onion.
Yeah, that's exactly what I asked him after his bite. I'm like, still tastes like an onion? He shook his head yes. I'm like, alright, I'm good. As long as it still tastes like an onion, I don't want it. But, that was delicious.